Hey guys, welcome back. Let's clear the deck because today is going to be epic. Let's clear the deck because today is going to be epic. So let's open up this mystery box. But first, let's trigger some happy hormones with a quick brain-tingling ASMR. Listen to that beautiful metallic sound. All right, let's peel this tape off. Fun history fact for you guys. The first adhesive tape was invented by a surgeon back in 1845. Time to open the main cardboard flaps and see what kind of culinary science experiments await us. Get ready for the grand reveal in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous miniature world. Look at this perfect mini gas stove. While real ones burn LPG, which is a mix of propane and butane, this set is absolutely incredible. Comment down below which item was your absolute favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mini adventures. See ya!